Hi, it's Mark from Saphrox Studios. Have you ever seen someone play something in a YouTube video that's just blowing your mind, that you just gotta learn how to do it, but it's just way too damn quick? Well, today we take a look at the inbuilt speed control built straight into the YouTube player and show you how it can help you with your practice. YouTube is a wonderful resource for learning guitar. It isn't as good as one-to-one tuition, but it is the go-to for many aspiring guitar players. The YouTube player has a built-in speed control that allows you to speed up and, more importantly, slow down in specific speed increments, all without changing the pitch of the audio. There are some strange audio artifacts created during the process and the audio ends up sounding a little robotic, but it does mean that you can play along at the altered speed. Now, the speed controls are built straight into the YouTube player, whether it be the desktop site or one of their apps, etc. There are a few exceptions. For instance, Apple TV, you can't speed up or slow down, but on most cases, you will find the speed controls are right there for you to use. Today I'm going to show you where you can find those speed controls on the desktop website as well as the iOS app. So let's take a look at the desktop site. So I've uploaded this little video here of me playing the G major scale over 2¼ octaves in triplets at 136 beats per minute. Now that may seem pretty quick. So if we go down to this cog item here, we can see right in the middle we've got our speed control, and we've got the slower options of 0.25 or quarter speed. We also have 0.5, which is half speed, and we've also got 0.75, which is 3/4 speed. Now, if we know the BPM of the original video, which we do, is 136 beats per minute, when we slow those speeds down to, let's say, quarter speed, we'll actually be running at 34 beats per minute. When we change that to half speed, it works out to be 68. And when we go to 3/4, then we're at 102 beats per minute. Now, of course, if you want to be all fancy pants about it, if you want to increase the speed of the video, you can do. You have the options of 1.25, 1.5, or double speed. Now that means that you're going to be pumping those speeds up. So 1.25, which is actually going to pump you up to about 170 beats per minute. If we go to the 1.5, then we're going to be running at about 204. And of course, if you go double speed, then that's going to take you up to the dizzying speeds of 268 beats per minute. All these options are also available in the YouTube iOS app, available to download on most Apple devices. Simply go and play your video, and in the top right hand corner you will find two little dots which you can click, open the settings and choose from the speed controls there. Exactly the same increments available as on the desktop. So there you go, that's how you change the speed of a YouTube video all natively within the YouTube apps itself. Hopefully it will help you with your practice and even allow you to work out that dream lick that you've heard your guitar idol play. Remember, we have a load more tips and tricks videos, product guides and lesson tutorials all on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and even write a comment in the comments section below. It'd be wonderful to hear from you. I've been Mark, Saphrox Studios. See you later.